Hey, how's it going? You need some help? You need some help? I can't hear you. Yeah, I said you need some help?
I'm on the yeah.
Truck is overheating.
I'm sorry, Chest.
Hello? Hey.
Truck is overheating.
Is overheating?
Yeah, and I'm coming from around the Alexandria area, and her grandfather's headed in the opposite direction from the factory.
Okay. It doesn't smell like it's overheating.
Yeah, her temperature gauge is climbing and getting all the way to the hot.
Okay.
You have a flashlight on you?
Yeah, I do.
Is there any way, if she pops her hood, that you can check to see if maybe the belt may have swung off?
Yeah, I can do that.
Or if she's low on antifreeze?
Yeah, I can take a look and see what's going on. She can stay on the phone with you. Pop the hood for me, love. Okay, I smell it now. Tell him the belt didn't come off. You have a busted hose. Which hose it is, I'm not sure yet. Oh, right here. Let me talk to him if you don't mind, please. Hey, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, she has a busted hose, man. The hose coming from the radiator going to the thermostat. You gotta replace the hose.
Hose from the radiator to the thermostat.
Correct.
That's the upper, right?
Yeah, that's the upper.
Okay, Sam, what year model is your truck?
Hold on, let me put her back on the phone. I'm gonna try and get you from right here to a safer spot, okay? Huh?
Is there a water spot before the bridge back there?
Is there a water spot?
Wider.
Yeah, there's a driveway before the bridge if you turn around on your right hand side, I believe.
What about the hose?
I'm gonna try and put a band-aid on the hose to get you from here back down the road, okay? Welcome.